All right, so what I wanted to demo today is a more complicated BERT project here, a Web Security Academy project. This one here, exploiting cross-site scripting to perform cross-site request forgery. I thought it'd be good to show you one of the tougher ones as a demonstration. So the point here is it has stored cross-site scripting vulnerability in the blog comments, so you can upload. Let's just do that first once this is going. It has to spin up the container. Okay, so in the comments section, which would be here, I view the post, and here's comments, and I should be able to write a comment, so I should be able to put a script in here, like script alert 1 and /script. So this is the simple kind of script, and I give it a name and an email and a website. All right, these are not valid, but they'll look like it. Now I post the comment, and there it is. And so now whenever I view that page, I'll go back here. Oh, I didn't want to go back to the description. I want to go back to the page. Here I want to go back to blog. Okay, there we go. And now I got this script that runs something on the page and pops it up. So that's script injection, stored command injection on that blog post. All right, but now that's one, we already know how to do that. But what I want to do now is I want to make the server do something in the blog post. And so what you do is if you view the source for the page, you'll see what I want to do is I want to change somebody else's email address, which I shouldn't be allowed to do. So what you can do, log into your own account as Wiener and Peter, and then change your email address. Yep, notice the function for updating your email address. Okay, so let's log in as Wiener Peter, which is going to be here. Okay. Maybe I spelled it wrong. All right, so I'm in, and my email is wiener@normaluser.net. Now I can update the email here. So from this page, I can see how the update function works. So if I examine this button with inspect, okay, that's the email button. And here's the form, and so here's what it's going to do. It's going to go to my account, change email, using a method of post, and it's going to send up these fields. An email, a hidden field to prevent cross-site scripting, and then a button that says update email. So let's take a look at the instructions. See, so that's in a post request with a parameter called email, and there is an anti-Csrf token. All right, so my exploit will need to handle that. So this is the payload to a blog comment to do all that. The other script just popped up, alert 1. This script is going to do this complicated stuff. It's going to make a new request. It's going to go to my account and send something. And here's handling the response. That's going to look for the location where something is called Csrf, and it's going to replace it with data it got here from with the token it got. This part is pretty hard to understand at a quick glance, but this is what it's doing. It's finding the token from the previous page and adding it in my request. So it's creating a request that's going to pass that test. So anyway, you can do it. Anyone who views the comments in a post request to change their name to that. So if I put in that comment, let's get rid of this inspect. Okay, and let's go home. And I'll do the second one so it doesn't already have cross-site scripting in it. So I put a comment on this one, which is all that stuff. And let's check what my goal is. My goal is to change the email address of someone else. Okay, so it didn't say what I had to change it to or who I had to target. So this will change anybody's email address that views this comment to test@test.com. So I can put anything here. There we are. All right, that should do it. And now I win. So if anybody views it, it'll change their email. So That's cross-site request forgery. You caused the server, which we've been talking about tonight, you send something up that confuses the server, so the server sends a signal to another server on the network, which contains user-controlled data, so I trick it into doing something it shouldn't do. And you can do this, you can trick people into buying a book at Amazon or posting something on Facebook and things like that with this kind of attack. All right, and in this case, you're doing it among servers up there. So I'm going to stop this recording.